Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to boot your RM education PC via internet network. So I have my server here, the server community software running, having the Windows files. So what happens here, I'm going to go, I had an issue. I can't go to the boot options for USB on this PC to ask for the BIOS password, and I can't install new Windows. So I'm going to click Alt Control Delete to restart the PC. Then I'll click F12 so that we go to the network boot options. So when you go to the network boot options, the server will start running, and to load the files through the Ethernet cable, as you can see here, and then to take you to this point. So as you can see, our server and our menu here. So what you're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and select the Windows files. In your case, you can select Windows 7. In my case, I have embedded that you see here. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Then to start loading the files, as you can see. So depending on your PCs, some PCs may refuse to load Windows 10 files, but on your PC, this would work on any PC. In our case here, on our RM education PC, it was not allowing us to use the USB options. That's why we went for these advanced options of installing Windows files. So it's going to load the files and then to ask us for the username and password of this PC that you see here. It happens to be the username is called Dell. So let's wait here a bit and see what we get. So you have to be waiting for this process. So you have to be patient, and it's going to load the resource files from the network. Then to show OK, then you'll be good to go. Then you're going to type in that username and also password. You have to make sure it is correct. So some people get stuck on this point here. So you click up and then enter, then to take you here. So this was just a quick video on how to boot your PC via internet network. So the other process is to just install the Windows like normal USB, normal CD-ROM. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified if I upload useful video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.